Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to create an album in Line. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's begin. First, you need to select the chat of your choice. For example, I want to create an album with my friend. So I will go to his chat, and once you're in the chat, focus on the menu bar at the top right. You will see 3 lines. Click on them. You will see lots of options, but for now, focus on albums. Just below it, you will see create album. Click on it. Now it's going to ask you to select the images of your choice. Let's say I select these few, and once everything is good, click on next at the bottom right. Here, you can rename the album and add other images if you wish. Once everything is set, simply click create at the top right. That's it. The album has been created. This is for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.